When you're preparing for emergencies, it's easy to focus on your own needs, but your pets need to be ready too. Let's dive into the essential emergency food list for your furry friends. First, dry food like kibble is a must-have for your pet's emergency kit. Vacuum sealing the food can extend its shelf life significantly, ensuring it stays fresh during an emergency. Canned wet food is another great option, especially since it provides hydration. Be sure to have a manual can opener in your kit to access this food when the power is out. Don't forget the treats and supplements. Pets may feel stressed during emergencies, and having a few familiar treats can help keep them calm. Vitamins or medications your pet takes regularly should also be part of your supplies. Water is crucial. Keep enough bottled water for your pets or include a water filtration system if you're short on storage space. Being prepared means keeping every member of your family safe, including your pets. Set up their emergency kit now and have peace of mind knowing they're taken care of. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. And don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel for more life-saving information. Check the description below for helpful links to essential pet emergency supplies.